Joey. Hey. It's Joey's first day of school. In kindergarten at Fairmount.
Yeah, I don't want to come in now.
Oh yeah, I've been here before.
Wonder if you can, this will help you remember when you're... This is where Daddy went too. And of course we're going to number 2. Joey knows where it is. You want to show the way? Mrs. Weldon's class.
Here?
Yeah. Room 2 with Mrs. Weldon. Yep, room 2, Mrs. Weldon.
Hello there.
Hi. Yeah.
How are you?
Is it okay if we videotape for just a little bit?
Okay, take it out. Your towel's back. Yes, I see that.
Is it okay if I videotape for just a little bit his first day? Thank you.
And then did you figure out what he was going to do after school?
Yeah, he'll take the bus.